Welcome to Cruising with OcoAdventures.com.
Here are 5 things every kid must have on a cruise. Part 1.
What's number 1, guys?
Headphones.
Definitely headphones.
Cabins are small, so unless you are sharing one device during your downtime, you are going to need headphones. 2 devices playing at one time in a small place can sound like complete chaos. Can you imagine 3 or 4? Most stores have Bluetooth headphones that are super cheap, typically less than $15. This is a small price to pay not to hear your kids' game squealing in the background. What's number 2, Zan?
A small backpack.
You know our kids like to show their independence at any time they can, so a small bag allows them to carry their own stuff so you won't have to. This can carry their phone, chapstick, hand wipes, sunblock, and believe me, you're going to need a lot of sunblock because a lot of fun happens in the sun. Number 3 is a motion-activated nightlight, especially if you're in an interior cabin. It gets really dark at night, so the nightlight is absolutely necessary if you need a midnight bathroom break or if you have a kid who's afraid of the dark.
Like me.
Number 4 is a whistle. These ships can be crowded. It is very easy for kids to get distracted, or even us, by the view, the cruise director, or what seems to be an endless supply of "are you serious" moments. Teaching your kids to use a whistle in the event they are separated from you is a good way to quickly find them. This works for Disney too, or any crowded space. Number 5 is a phone. Give your kids an old phone. Most old phones will do unless it comes in a bag with a Velcro tab. If you know, you know. Most cruise lines have an app that will allow you to chat with people in your party, which will come in handy if you want to let your kids head off on their own adventure around the ship. Additional charges may apply. Check with grandparents, older siblings, aunties, uncles to see if they have an older phone that your kids can borrow for pictures. Cruises are exciting, and this would be a cool way to show the trip from the kids' point of view.
Bonus tip.
When you get back home, have a family night. Order some food, and everybody get together and shows the pictures they took on a cruise. This will give you a chance to relive the fun until the next time. For more tips on all things cruising, don't forget to
Like, follow, and subscribe.